Today I'm going to give you an overview of Logitech's wireless desktop keyboard combination, keyboard and mouse that is. It's the MK710. It is a wireless combination using Logitech's unifying remote technology, which is this dongle that you see here. This is essentially a extender cable that you can use to plug into the back of your computer, and then this USB connector here plugs into your computer, or like me, I use it in my laptop, so when I bring my laptop home I can use this keyboard but also still keep it connected to my home computer. Keyboard is a black piano finish. Bring that in a little closer so you get a better look at it. Pretty much resisted fingerprints, so I don't see much of a problem there. It has an LCD display. It's a low light, but it gives you some basic things. Like you can see the battery displayed there, and then the status of the caps or scroll locks. You have media keys along the top, and then your function keys have special designed or special programmed functions when used in combination with the function key that's located here. So if I wanted to launch Word, I would just hit that key. Oops, actually, let me show you that a little better. I use that like that. And that's all there is to it. Now, the keyboard has a wrist pad here, which is nice from an ergonomic perspective, so you can really get a nice rest, have a place to rest your wrist. And the keyboard has some other quick shortcut buttons. I got a calculator there, CD eject button there. You've got a sleep mode, which is right there, which is nice. I always like a keyboard with that. The keyboard itself is a membrane, so it's quiet, but feels pretty easy to type on. The keys themselves are actually pretty low profile, if you can see that. And you can move from key to key really easily. That's one of the things Logitech calls out is a unique thing about this keyboard. It's a nice looking keyboard overall, pretty good size, not too big, not too small. It also comes with a mouse, a wireless mouse. Wireless mouse is a little small for my hands, but otherwise the build quality is really solid. It's got the back and forward page buttons that you can use. It has a scroll wheel mouse. It can go left and right, and it has a button here that actually can change a smooth scrolling to more of a feedback or tactical feel when you scroll. They call this a hyper fast scrolling mouse, which is true. When I first connected this, it's like, wow, it really scrolls fast. I'm a gamer, so I'm used to a gamer quality mouse, and I would say I was a little hesitant about a wireless mouse, but I think it's perfectly acceptable. In fact, the guy at Best Buy, when I was looking at this, said, yeah, I was pretty impressed as well. So that kind of sold me that I didn't feel like I'd have a lot of lag when I was playing my first person shooters. Keyboard is really nice. Mouse is really nice. I really don't have, maybe the only two negative things. Mouse is a little small for my hands, and the LCD is a little pointless. It is nice to see the battery, but it's a little low light. I didn't point out, and let me do that actually. If I flip the keyboard over, you can see that it has heights adjustments, which is nice. I don't think I've seen that on a keyboard before. So you can do no adjustment or medium height or real tall height. So that's a nice function. And you can see there's a little on-off switch here, so you can turn the keyboard off to save your batteries if you're not going to be using it. So I do recommend the keyboard. Had it for about 60 days myself. Been using it. Very comfortable. Good looking keyboard. Take it in a little closer so you can just get one final look. And if you want to read about this keyboard, you can go to www.windowskeyboards.com and or read about all the other keyboards that I review or offer for sale. You can pick this up at Amazon in the neighborhood of, let me just check for you. It's selling for about 75 bucks right now. So hope you enjoyed this review and found it useful. Be sure to check back for new videos on new keyboards and other information. Take care. I did want to take a quick second and show you this is the software that comes with the keyboard, so you can see how you can change each of the functions on the mouse itself and reprogram it to your desire. Same with the keyboard. You can reprogram that calculator key, or you can actually take any of the keys on the top and give them an assign function.